Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Accord driver side mirror. First, ensure you have all the right tools, including a screwdriver set and trim removal tools. Next, make sure you have the correct replacement mirror for your specific Honda Accord model. Finally, park your vehicle safely on a level surface and turn off the ignition before you begin any work. Now, let's get to removing the damaged mirror. Begin by carefully prying off the interior door panel. This will expose the mirror's mounting bolts and electrical connections. Next, disconnect the electrical connector that powers your mirror's adjustments. Finally, unbolt the old mirror from the door frame and set it aside. Be gentle to avoid damaging other components.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more car repair guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, especially after a repair. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener to keep your ride smelling fresh. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
With the old mirror removed, it's time to install the new one. First, carefully position the new mirror onto the door frame, ensuring all the bolt holes align perfectly. Next, securely fasten the new mirror using the mounting bolts you removed earlier. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to restore power to your mirror's adjustments and heating elements, if applicable. Almost done. Now, reattach the interior door panel, making sure all clips snap firmly into place. Then, turn on your car and test the new mirror's power adjustments and any heating functions. Verify that the mirror is firmly attached and operates correctly. This ensures your new mirror is fully functional and safe for driving.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.